channel. My name is Michael Odiba, and this is VALIDUS packages, and I'm going to walk you guys through on how you can maximize this opportunity. I must say, for the past 4 months I've been in VALIDUS. I have made back my capital, and I tell you, something big just came up on VALIDUS. It's called VALIDUS Wallet. It's going to be like an exchange. I'm going to update you guys about how VALIDUS Wallet really works. And secondly, this opportunity is for you to make money for yourself. I'm not telling you this because you need to get used my link, but I'm telling you because this is an amazing platform that is going to give you returns on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. Now, there's what we call passive income in VALIDUS, and that passive income in VALIDUS gives you, it's just like a savings with them, and it gives you 30%, and this money comes in every month. I just received one today, making it 1st of August. Welcome to new month. And the sound and the joy in my heart is so much, and that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to explain the packages in naira and in dollars for those who are watching from diaspora, from those who are watching from all over the world, and those who are watching in my own present country, Nigeria. You need to jump on this. You need to jump on this. Now, the minimum, the details of the wallet, the details of the returns, and the investment, the reward, and the amount to invest are going to be what I'm going to talk about here in this video. So now let's walk you guys through. If you are new to this channel, my name is once again Michael. We talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about affiliate marketing, and we talk about affiliate passive income, where you actually make money from the internet. So that is what we do here. So now the first package is just $50, and with this $50, what do you gain? You gain, at the current rate in naira now, is about, at the time this PTDF was done, it's about $600 naira after $1, but currently it's about $700 naira to $1 now. So depending the exchange, you are getting the dollar rate, the USDT rate. So let's leave at that at this current price now. So now the current price now from this video, for this video, is $600 naira. Now for $50 account, what happens is this: your royal reward 2 to 3% on a weekly basis output, and up to 10% monthly on a monthly basis. So I'm going to put that now, so you see. So this is weekly basis, this is monthly basis, and this is 60 weeks. Now this 60 weeks is comprised of one year and 2 months. So if you do it January, December, January, February, you have done your 60 days. If you go to internet, check how many days consists of a week, you know that this is what it takes to get to this place. So you understand now. So that is just what you need to do on this package, on this very package here, for the $50 package. So every month you are guaranteed of $5. Then at the end of the total round of time, you are guaranteed of $175. If you can make withdrawal anytime, you can make withdrawal anytime. It's not something you need to wait on. You can make withdrawal at any time, given time. So this is one of the packages. That is how it works. Now package 2, which is for $100, so activating fee is 0. You don't need to activate with anything. Now what do you gain? You gain 2 to 3% weekly output. Monthly you have $10 for this $100 for monthly. Now for the 60 weeks you have $350 for the 60 weeks. You understand now? So every month you are getting 6,700 naira on this platform. Now every week you are guaranteed of a real reward of 2,000 naira, depending the exchange rate. Now the cost of this package in naira is 67,000 naira, depending the time, depending the exchange you are buying from. You understand now? So it's 67,000 naira to get this package. At the end of that 60 weeks, look at what you are going home with: 234,000 naira. You are going home at the end of 60 weeks. You understand? So this is what you go home at the end of 60 weeks, and that is it. So the next package, which is $250. Now this $250, it will cost you 167,000 naira. Weekly you get 5,000 naira. You get between $7 to $5. Then on a monthly basis you are getting $17,025. Then on the end of total of 60 weeks you are getting $875 at the end of total of 60 weeks. Okay, now look at this package here. Now $250 is giving you $875 at the end of 60 weeks. Then every month you get $25 every month for $250 account. Isn't it amazing? It is amazing. So guys, I just received money now from my account. I'm not going to show you guys that, but that is why I'm doing this video. It's an amazing platform, amazing platform, and I want you to be part of it. It's very, very simple. So now we move to the next package, which is the $500 package. So the $500 package, now you have on a weekly basis you have $10 to $15 for $500 package. Then on a monthly basis you have $50 as profit, $500 package. At the end of 60 weeks you have $1,750 at the end of 60 weeks. Now this is it. What is going to be the cost of this package? The cost of this package is going to be 335,000. It may be up, it may be down, depending the exchange and your agreement with those you want to buy from. So that is it. So you are making your investment of 335,000 is giving you 1 million naira in 60 weeks. I tell you, if you have that money in the bank, there's no way you're going to guarantee of 1 million naira. I'm telling you, with the inflation in Nigeria, no way. If you have your dollar in the bank, I'm going to say that you're not going to make $1,000 with $500 in the bank. I don't know how it's done everywhere, but you are going to make anything out of it. So that is the second package. That is the next package, which is $500. Then $1,000 package. I want to explain this now. For $1,000 package, so this is it. You are going to spend 670,000 naira to do this package. And when you spend 670,000 naira on this package, so 670,000 is the cost of $1,000 in naira. You understand? So you have $20 to $30 weekly output reward. It's about 13,000 to 20,000 naira right now. On monthly basis you have $100 every month. $100 every month. Then at the end of 60 weeks you have 3,500. That is 2.3 million naira. 2.3 million naira for the package of $1,000. There is no activation fee attached to it. Nothing like activation fee that is attached to this package. It's a one-time payment, and withdrawal is about 2%. 2% is the withdrawal fee. So imagine investment of 600,000 naira. You are making 2.3 million naira in a year. So what do you think? Now the next package, which is $3,000, sorry, which is $3,000. So $3,000 package, that is 2 million naira in Nigerian currency. This is what you get every week. You get 40,000 to 60,000 naira on a weekly basis. On a monthly basis, you have $300. That is 200,000 naira for an investment of 2 million naira. Okay, for the period of these 360 weeks, what do you get? You get $10,000 for $3,000 investment. That is about 7.7 million naira. This is 7 million naira in naira. An investment of 2 million, return of 7 million naira. So you understand now. This is how VALIDUS is giving this royal reward. I just received money, and that is why I'm making this video. I'm saying it loud and clear because it's so sweet, it's so amazing, it's so amazing, guys. It's so amazing. So this is $3,000 investment, 2 million naira. At the end of 1 year, you are getting 7 million naira return. Okay, the next package before the last, which is $5,000. Now for $5,000 package, this is what you take home at the end of 60 weeks. The cost of $5,000 in naira currently now is about 3.350 million naira. Now this is what you gain: royal reward for weekly output on your weekly returns. You get $100 to $500. That is about 67,000. Sorry, $100 to $150. That's about 67,000 to 100,000 naira plus. On a monthly basis, you are guaranteed of $500. That's about $500,000 naira. Then on the total return at the end of the contract, you have a total of $17,000. Investment of 3 million naira, 3.5 million naira is giving you 11 million at the end of 1 year. I tell you, this is something you need to come on board, guys. It's not something to joke with. This system, I have seen them, and I have seen what they can do, and I have seen their handwork, and I've seen those that are working with them and those that are trading for them, what they do currently. You understand? So it's not something you come in and this is a real business. This is a real company, a real trading company that is coming up with so many things, so many banking and everything is going to be happening on this platform. So this is what you gain for $5,000 at the end of 60 weeks. For 5,060 weeks, you are getting $11,000. That is about $6,000 plus. This is amazing, guys. It's amazing for me. It's okay. It's not a massive return, but minimal, and it's okay for the period. So that is it. And the list, the last but not the least, is $10,000. That goes about. That is about 6 million naira weekly return, monthly, and 60 weeks. Now, this $10,000 costs you about 6.7 million naira in naira. Now, on a weekly basis, on a weekly output, you have $200 to $300. That's about 140,000, 130,000 to 200,000 naira. Now, on a monthly basis, you are guaranteed of $500,000 plus. That is 600,000 naira. That is $1,000 on a monthly basis for $10,000 package without doing anything. Okay, at the end of your 60 weeks with this company, so what happens at the end of your 60 weeks? You have $35,000 and you have 23 million naira out of your small investment of 6 million, 6.7 million, let's say 7 million, 6 million. You have 23 million naira approximately about 15 million profit in 16 weeks. You understand? So these are the packages that you have in Validus. And I'm telling you from my experience, there's nothing compared to this. I can only call a company that is doing great as this over the last period of 4 years. I'm not going to call the name. I'm going to work on the video. I'm going to share a video with you, and I'm going to compare the two of them. We have the same companies that are providing service for these two companies. I'm going to compare them. We have 13 months there. We have 13 months. We have 500% return here, and we have 300% return there. Amazing structure, amazing affiliate income, and everything. If you check on this channel, there's going to be a link on this video. If you're interested to come on board, our WhatsApp is going to be there so that you can maximize the opportunity. We are doing what we call business launch in my group, and that business launch gives you a privilege to talk to people who are really interested in investing. So that's what we do in my team. So in this video, I'm not going to end it here now. I'm going to let you know, guys, that you can actually do a lot with this program. A lot and a lot. It's going to stay for a while. I guarantee you for sure. I cross my heart, I'm guaranteeing you this. It's going to stay for a long time. Why? Because they are real deal. They are real people. They are real people, real faces, real offices. Real events are happening, and they have a track record as a marketer, and they have seen how people have duped people, and that is why we have created this platform. So guys, thank you for watching so much. If you are new to this channel, what do you do for us? You just help us to do the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video, and again you just do the normal subscriber. Fine, it doesn't take anything, just a click and you are done, and you're part of our community, and we'll be very happy to welcome you once again in our community. Then the old subscribers, we thank you for watching. We thank you for always watching our videos. We thank you for encouraging us, telling us what to do, which video to do next, and we love that so much. So thank you, and happy new month. This is August. I'm going to tell you guys that you can earn your salary in 3 weeks before the running of month in August. If you believe that, watch out for our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.